This part you have a thermos. Okay, that is has a diameter of 2.5, and it's filled 9 inches high. And then you are pouring it into a cylinder with a diameter that is a little bit wider. It's 3.5. And you want to find out what will the height of this be. All right. So when you look at this problem, do I give you a volume formula on there?
Yeah, you did pi h times height.
Okay, so I provided that. So the volume for any cylinder is the area of the base times the height of the solid. So the area of this base is a circle, so pi r squared times the height of the solid. I use a capital H just to distinguish it from heights in a two-dimensional figure. Okay? So I'm representing this as capital H here. So when you look at this, if you were to calculate the volume of water, or the volume of the liquid doesn't change. Okay, so if we calculate what is the volume in this particular case, the way that we would find that is pi times the radius is 2.5 over 2 squared times the height of 9. So we can go ahead and calculate that. So if we take pi, the pi button on your calculator is second function caret symbol right here to the right of the t. So pi times, I'm going to square this value, 2.5 divided by 2. So I'm squaring that, and then I'm multiplying it by 9, and that's going to give me 44.18 approximately. So what I can then do is set up the formula for this second cylinder. It's still going to be pi r squared h, so I get pi times here, the radius is 3.5 halves squared, and it's a new h. So this one is our unknown. And so if I just substitute in the volume that I got in the first problem for this v, and I solve my new equation. So once again, I have it in my calculator. So I can just take this whole equation here, and I can take solve, the F2 algebra tab, solve, volume. I'm just going to highlight what I had here. Yes. Yeah, that's right. And so I'm just going to highlight what I have here and hit enter. That's going to pull that exact value right into my problem. Set it equal to pi times, and again, same thing, 3.5 over 2 this time as my radius, square it, multiply it by my unknown, which I'm just going to call x because it's the only unknown in the problem, and I'm solving for this x. And so when I hit enter, I'll get my solution, which is approximately 4.6 or 4.59, depending on what I ask you to round it to for your answer.